Next thing I want to talk about is dynamic pricing. Now, this is different than bundles. This is basically getting a discount when you buy more of one item. Now, it can be when you purchase more of a single item. For example, I do a dynamic discount when someone purchases a ton of picks. Normally they're $2 a pick, but if they are going to purchase a bunch of them, they can literally get them for half off. I also do this with some things like my racing games. Some of the racing games are both available as a bundle and a multi-discount. Some people literally want every racing game there is, and some people want to pick and choose. So for example, save when you pick and choose multiple race-based centers. I have it set up that if a product is tagged with a specific tag game-based centers, you can see all of these here, that they'll get a specific discount. If they buy 2 to 4, they're $2.40, all the way up to 10 plus $1.80. So as they add it to cart, it will dynamically change the price. Now there's two plugins that you could use. There's the official WooCommerce plugin. It's $129 a site. I actually do not use this one. In this case, I had found one that was $50 a site called WooCommerce Dynamic Pricing and Discounts, and I have found that this one is working just fine for me for now. Also, it's a one-time fee as opposed to a subscription fee.